Seniors over 60 walk easier with these three foods. Imagine walking with more ease without that constant weight on your joints or the uncertainty of taking a few steps. What few people know is that there are foods and habits that act as powerful allies to keep bones strong, muscles active, and joints flexible. It's surprising to realize that often the secret isn't in expensive medications, but in practical changes anyone can apply. Here, we will reveal 3 essential foods that strengthen the body from the inside out, plus 2 often forgotten habits that can be a game changer for those who want to maintain independence and quality of life after 60. Let's start with the first food, salmon. Salmon is considered one of the most powerful foods for those who want to preserve mobility after 60. It's extremely rich in omega-3, a nutrient that helps reduce joint inflammation, which is essential to avoid pain while walking. Additionally, it contains vitamin D, which is crucial for keeping bones strong and preventing falls. It's like a silent ally, working inside the body to give more stability with every step. Many nutrition experts recommend including salmon in your diet at least twice a week. And it doesn't have to be complicated. It can be grilled with simple seasonings, baked in the oven, or even bought smoked to pair with a salad. For those looking for convenience, even canned salmon is a good alternative without losing too many nutrients. The variety of options makes it easy to maintain the routine effortlessly. The interesting thing is that when consuming salmon regularly, the body responds in a noticeable way. People report that after a few weeks, they feel lighter when walking and less stiffness in their knees. It's as if the body recovers some of its lost youth. Have you ever thought about including salmon in your breakfast, on a toast with avocado? This simple habit can transform how you start your day. It's worth remembering that it's not just about eating well, but about understanding how certain nutrients work as natural remedies. Doctors specialized in healthy aging point out that the combination of proteins and fatty acids present in salmon strengthens not only bones, but also muscles. And it is precisely this union that ensures a more stable walk. But this is just the beginning, because there is another green and secret-filled food that can further enhance the results. Number 2, spinach. Spinach is a true green treasure when it comes to strength and mobility. It is extremely rich in calcium, magnesium, and iron, nutrients that help keep muscles strong and bones resilient. It's no wonder many doctors highlight the role of dark green leaves in preventing osteoporosis and muscle weakness in people over 60. Having spinach on your plate is like giving extra support to every step taken in daily life. Consuming this vegetable can be very simple. In the United States, it's common to find fresh spinach in salads, but it can also be sautéed with garlic, added to omelets for breakfast, or even blended into smoothies. This versatility makes adherence much easier, and the more natural the preparation, the better the nutrient absorption. Small changes like this can bring enormous gains for joint health. Another fascinating aspect is the presence of antioxidants in spinach, such as lutein, which not only contribute to eye health but also reduce inflammatory processes. Less inflammation means less pain when walking and more freedom of movement. Imagine climbing stairs without feeling that discomfort in your knees. This is the kind of silent benefit that spinach can provide. And here's a question for you to reflect on. How often do you include green leafy vegetables on your plate? Many underestimate this detail, but it's precisely where the difference lies between feeling stiffness or walking naturally. And if spinach can do so much, wait until you discover the fruit that's in practically every American kitchen, and may be the key to ending cramps and giving your muscles more energy. Number 3, bananas. The banana is undoubtedly one of the most accessible and consumed fruits in the United States, but many are unaware of its power to maintain mobility after 60. Rich in potassium, it helps balance electrolyte levels in the body, preventing cramps and strengthening muscle function. This simple detail makes all the difference, because stronger and more relaxed muscles make walking more stable and less painful. In addition to potassium, bananas contain fiber that regulates digestion and provides gradual energy throughout the day. This means less fatigue and more energy for physical activities, even if it's just a light walk around the neighborhood. A quick, practical, and highly beneficial snack. Who hasn't added sliced banana to their breakfast cereal or used the fruit as an afternoon snack? Small gestures like these become silent allies of health. An interesting point is that bananas also contain magnesium, an important mineral for relaxing muscles and reducing tension. Experts say including 1 or 2 bananas a day can reduce the occurrence of nighttime cramps by up to 40% in older adults. Imagine waking up in the middle of the night without that sudden pain in your calf disrupting your sleep. Just that alone is a gain in quality of life. Now here's the provocation. Do you usually eat bananas every day, or do you leave this fruit aside thinking it's too simple? Often, the most effective solutions are also the most obvious ones. And if until now we've talked about food, from this point on, a habit comes into play that can enhance all these benefits and transform the way you walk. Low-impact exercises. When it comes to improving the way you walk after 60, many think it requires intense workouts, but the reality is different. Low-impact exercises are the most effective. Light walks, swimming, stationary biking, or even yoga help strengthen muscles, improve balance, and protect joints. The secret lies in consistency, not intensity. Small daily efforts yield enormous results in the medium and long term. A practical example: walking 20 minutes a day in a park or even inside a shopping mall already improves circulation and posture. For those who prefer water activities, swimming reduces weight on the joints, allowing fluid movements without pain. And if the idea is to relax, yoga and Tai Chi, quite popular among the elderly in the US, combine stretching and breathing, providing not only mobility but also mental clarity. Studies prove that those who maintain this type of regular practice significantly reduce the risk of falls and balance problems. It's like training the body to have confidence with every step, avoiding that feeling of insecurity when getting up from a chair or climbing a step. This is crucial because falls are one of the main causes of loss of independence in old age. Do you already have a favorite physical activity that you practice frequently? The most interesting part is that these exercises work together with the foods mentioned earlier. After all, well-nourished muscles and less inflamed joints respond even better to movement. But there's still one essential detail missing. Eating well and exercising are of little use if the body doesn't get the necessary rest to recover. And that's precisely where the next point comes in, which is often the most neglected of all. Sleep quality. Few people realize it, but sleep quality has a direct impact on the way one walks. During the night, the body carries out fundamental recovery processes. Muscles rebuild, inflammation decreases, and the brain organizes information that even helps with balance. When rest is insufficient, the result shows up the next day in the form of fatigue, pain, and insecurity with every step. Sleeping well is just as important as eating right. Medical research shows that adults over 60 who maintain between 7 and 8 hours of sleep per night experience fewer muscle and joint pains. To achieve this result, small changes in routine already make a difference, such as avoiding cell phone screens before bed, keeping the bedroom dark and cool, and establishing regular times to go to sleep. This ritual prepares the body to enter a deep and restorative sleep. A simple but very effective habit is replacing nighttime TV with light reading or breathing exercises. These practices help reduce anxiety and signal to the body that it's time to slow down. Additionally, reducing caffeine consumption after the afternoon can be crucial to ensuring sleep comes naturally. After all, what good is consuming the best foods and exercising if the body has no time to recover? And here's the question. Do you feel like your sleep is truly restorative, or do you wake up tired as if you hadn't rested at all? This detail could be the hidden factor limiting your mobility. And if improving sleep quality is already transformative, imagine combining that with good nutrition and regular exercise. If you've been following me this far, I'll give you a bonus tip: proper hydration. Water is often the cheapest and most overlooked remedy for maintaining mobility after 60. When the body is not well hydrated, joints lose their natural lubrication, muscles become tighter, and even balance can be affected. The simple act of drinking enough water every day helps reduce pain, increase energy, and even improve blood circulation, ensuring steadier steps. In the United States, it is common to replace water with soda, excess coffee, or energy drinks, but this swap comes at a high cost over time. Experts recommend 6 to 8 glasses of water per day, adjusting based on physical activity level and climate. A good practice is to always keep a bottle nearby, whether at home or during light walks. Hydration can also come from water-rich foods like watermelon, cucumber, and oranges, which, in addition to being refreshing, help replenish fluids naturally. This is especially important on hotter days, when the risk of dehydration increases without the person even noticing. It is worth observing the color of urine. The lighter it is, the better the hydration level. Now stop and think, how many glasses of water have you drunk today? Often, difficulty walking is linked to details as simple as this. And when proper hydration is combined with good nutrition, exercise, and quality sleep, the body responds in surprising ways. Now that you have learned about the foods and habits that can transform the way you walk after 60, the question is, what will you do with this knowledge? Many let life pass them by, thinking that pain and limitations are just part of aging. But the truth is that small changes yield enormous results. It is in your hands to decide whether you will keep waiting or start taking action today. Imagine combining salmon, spinach, and banana into your routine, practicing light exercise, and at the same time taking care of your sleep. This is not just theory, it is science applied to your daily life. And when you realize that you can walk more securely, climb stairs without effort, and even dance without pain, you will understand that it is never too late to regain quality of life. The big challenge is, are you willing to test these habits for at least 30 days and feel the results in your own body? This is a decision that no one can make for you. Write in the comments which of these points you already practice, and which one you will start applying from today. And to continue receiving content that will open your mind and reveal little-known secrets about health and well-being, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. The next video might just be the missing piece to completely transform your routine.